Hello guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're gonna be watching some of the best and very satisfying instant karma moments. So without any further ado now, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. This is, by the way, the Fairmont hairpin, one of the most famous F1 corners in Monaco. And you can't even rev your car there, let alone do this.
It was at this moment
This is a definition of getting caught in 4K. Just look at her face. She's looking at him like he did something wrong. Oh, look at her now. Both hands on the steering wheel and everything. That was hilarious. Uh-oh. That was not a good timing. But it's a good GTR though. Is that a Liberty Walk kit? It looks interesting and it sounds good, but it can get a little bit annoying if you overdo it, my guy. Now we're in a GT3 RS.
No!
And what a way of doing a U-turn. Excuse me, officer, my foot slipped. Oh my god, I don't even know how to describe this. People like this shouldn't even have a driving license in the first place. I mean, how did you not notice that your rear tire is completely gone? All of that rattling and smoke, and she's still like, yep, all good, I'm gonna continue on driving like normal. You apocalyptic dingleberry. Making my way downtown. No, 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 no. What was that all about? At least the police palm point was perfect.
Lambo, let's see if they get the Lambo.
Oh, this is a Lamborghini Huracan.
Oh, he's already
And
cooked.
that V10 sounds incredible. Let's hear it. Ooh, it's like all of those cylinders working together to create a perfect V10 symphony. I only don't know how much the local PD is gonna appreciate that, because there was a little bit too much decibels there. And now this guy in his BMW 3 Series decided to show off a little bit. And he's now like, ha, did you see that? Oh crap. That didn't go brilliantly. At least for him. Slow down, Bumblebee. This guy's using the motorcycle signals to warn him, but it's too late now. That's one clean looking Nissan GTR R32, I believe this is. You're gonna correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, it even has anti-lag. But that was probably not the greatest idea there. Yep, because usually the wee woo doesn't really appreciate the pops and bangs tune on your car. Uh-oh, oops. This is a McLaren 765 LT. And this guy's power deployment is, yep. Was a little bit too much, let's put it that way. Why are you weaving across the two lanes? Oh, that's a burnout, and that's running a stop sign as well, so oof. That's gonna be a big one. There was no need for that. There's a bunch of bikers, there's also other drivers, so that was not a good idea. Whoa! We spawned in a GTA lobby or something, I don't know what is going on here. Bro's got 5-star wanted level. Oh nah, bro, not the ice cream truck. This gotta be fake. No way they're using the ice cream trucks now. Holy moly, that Range Rover is flying. But he ain't getting away, we already know that.
Damn, wild, dude. Look at him, they're pinning him in.
They're surrounding him, trying to pit him.
That's
And by the way, if you find yourself in a situation like this, just get out of the way. That's always the best option. He's still going somehow.
What?
Come on, get him, boys. Get him. That is also a brand new car, brand new model.
Damn, son.
Oh no, he's turning around again, looks like.
Coming back.
Oh,
he took out the boat.
how did...
Oh,
Hitting a
my
boat in the
freaking
middle of the
God.
road is crazy, man. Oh, nice Porsche there. Quickly followed by the Audi S4, I believe. And, oh my god. Let me guess, he got off the cop car, did he? Yep, he did. I mean, we get it, he really wants to be in the video, but that was questionable. He really shouldn't have done that. And this guy apparently thinks that this is some sort of a checkpoint or a safe house, so when you get there, you're safe. Ain't nobody can touch you there. But yeah, it's safe to assume that he probably got carried away a little bit on the road. So they followed him here and the rest is history. Let's take a guess now which Dingleberry is gonna get a sudden burst of intelligence first. There we go, there's our guy. And he did that right in front of the 5-0. Unbelievable. Ka-chow! Oh no. Looks like our boy Lightning McQueen is trying to escape the radiator springs once again. He actually got that livery spot on. That's incredible. I think we all know where this one is going. Somebody's probably gonna ignore that bus there, which is never a good thing, of course. There we go, there's our main Dingleberry. Oh, they were waiting for him, and it's well deserved. Well deserved. You just need to wait a couple of minutes, it's not that hard. Let's see who ordered some instant karma here.
Oh, got him.
Oh, there he
No
is.
seatbelt.
So no seatbelt and
Ate the stop sign.
possibly running a stop sign. I didn't see that, so I don't know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, bro. Bro, what did you do? What did you do? Admit it. They saw a 360 camera, so that's a magnet. Oh, his luck. Imagine the relief on his
Let
face.
me get this straight. The wee-woo looking car got wee-wooed by the non-wee-woo looking car.
I'm gonna have to agree with our guy here because
What?
that is a little bit strange.
Look right there. Got you.
And here we have another one. He was too impatient to wait for the bus.
Chase, look.
Come on, dude, it's not that hard.
I'd
You don't
pull
really have to
over.
do that.
Oh, she's not stopping then.
That's probably the common issue there, so the police decided to just wait for the drivers like this. Ooh, this one is gonna be good. Oh, the sound of that V8. On the side it should say, serving with speed and power. But yeah, that's a really convincing looking police car. Ain't nobody running from the Bumblebee. And here we have another clueless driver who is merging from another zip code without checking the mirrors first. Like, what are you even doing, bruv? Distracted on the phone and a lot of arrogance is my guess here. Dun, 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 dun. What is that guy doing over there? Did you break your GPS or something? Bro is driving like an NPC. Oh, this is nice. We have a telemetry and everything. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's Instant Karma special episode. And if you did, you know what to do. Smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.